Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G and I'm going to show you how to remove, replace, and insert a SIM card and memory card into your device. So right here at the top left corner, when you're looking at the front of the phone, you have a SIM card slot. You need a SIM tray release tool or a strong paper clip. You're going to push it in here. It'll release the tray like so, and then you can pull out the tray. You want to be gentle. Now the SIM card goes on the bottom portion like so, and you kind of want to snap it in so it's nice and flush. The memory card goes in the top portion like so. You want to make sure when you're putting this in that it does not fall out, or else you can jam it in the phone, and then you'll have a hard time getting it all out. But this is simply how you put it all back in. That's it. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.